to do the honor of introducing our guest speaker for this evening, let us welcome on stage Architect Dino Amiel B. Bongkayaw to introduce our guest speaker.
So let us all welcome, syempre naman, our very own mayor. Ladies and gentlemen, all our guests, please welcome our guest of honor speaker, a lawyer, a public servant, and the former 14th Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines. Yeah. Through at buhay, she brought government to the people who needed it most, a steadfast advocate and partner of the architecture profession, championing sound urban planning and community-driven design, particularly now in Naga City. Ladies and gentlemen, and Her Honor, Mayor Maria Leonor Tenny Herona Robredo.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Architect Dino. Mabalos po, kindly take your seats. Before I proceed with my message, let me first greet the best and sincerest gratitude to the UAP Camarines chapter. Thank you so much for your relentless support, your time, and your invaluable partnership with the city government of Naga. Ang dami po nilang tulong sa amin. You have consistently stood alongside us in shaping the future of our city, making our relationship indispensable. We do not just meet during pleasantries like this or occasions such as this, but we are true partners in the daily strengthening of our city. That is why I really need to highlight how active and helpful you have been here in Naga. Because truly, you are our partners in every step of the city's transformation. Over the past months, your dedication has been nothing short of remarkable, proving that meaningful change requires a collective effort. Look at what we have accomplished together for our proposed 2026 Local Building Code of Naga. Talagang nanawag ang mga architects dito. Crafting it was no small feat. Ilang bulan mo naman? Almost a year, right? Almost a year. But under the leadership of the Local Building Code Council and our technical working group, the unification of professional organizations became possible. It is truly inspiring when experts unite at the people and for the lasting progress of our communities. Let us honor our legacy. Let us shape our tomorrow. And let us build Naga and Bicolandia together. Mabuhay po kamo gapos.
At the Abaca Grand Ballroom, Uma Hotel Residences, Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. Signed, UAP Camarines Chapter Secretary, Architect Carlo Magna D. Aborde, and UAP Camarines Chapter President, Architect D.
Embracing the progressive that resonates with the ever-evolving land.
Architect Daniel S.J. Dumio. Architect Christian S. Manzo. Architect Bravery G. Nakari. Window